You know. Leo. Yo. See, man, I'm going to the cross.
Come on, it's nice.
And he gone further down, you know. People live further down there, so to Red Hills Road, look there.
Bite of the night.
Hi guys, so we are at the zoo today, and you can see some folks in the background. Yes, this is my family, and we are going to the zoo today. We are in the parking lot currently, and just going to take some pictures before we go inside. So stick around. I'll show you what's happening here at not Jamaica Zoo. This is Hope Zoo. All right, stick around. So yeah, guys, you know, today is my wife's first time at the zoo. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Her first time at the zoo. So we're gonna go show her some monkey. Yeah, well, so stick around, guys. Stick around. Guys, say cheese.
I'm vegan.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Alright guys, so while we await our ticket to enter the premises, let's just take a look at some of the stuff that they have at the front. Here we have some aquariums with fish and turtles and such delights, and they have a big pond with some koi fish. So while we wait, let's just read up on Hope Zoo. So Hope Zoo was opened to the public in 1961. That's 1 year before Jamaica gained independence. And it was conceived as a Caribbean and Central American zoo. Its aim was to display as wide a variety of animals as possible. The zoo until 2005 was owned and operated under the central government within the Public Gardens Division. So this place has been going on for a very long time, and the last time I can remember I came to this place was back in 1996 when I was in basic school. So you know, that was a long time ago. That was the first time that I came to this place, and it is until now that I'm coming back. So inadequate funding and subsequent loss of animal collection led to the overall deterioration of the facility and a decline in public interest. This combination of factors in 2005 paved the way for central government to start leasing the facility. In November 2011, the Hope Zoo Preservation Foundation assumed full management authority under the helm of Mr. Kenneth S. Benjamin, OJCD LLD, Honorable JP as the executive chairman. Alright guys, time to enter the premises. So let's go see what they have in this place. Wanna get a tour?
Okay, so we are going to chain ride. So we are going to go on the chain. So we are going on the chain.
Now I go find the train. Which direction we go? So? Up way. Up so. Come. Let's go.
Yeah, no.
So these are the first cage in the zoo.
So then I have the when I send the broadcast to them there.
Feed it,
Is it name?
yeah. Pass it way down there, so.
Sun Conmore.
So
What a big word there. Aratinga. Salsti. Me na man cause bad word. Pronounce that word there for me.
which one?
That word there. Aratinga.
Which one?
Aratinga.
I think I saw 666.
Alright, let's go.
We're up here right now. Just want to jump in this.
So remember, animals, let's see if I can read that sign over there. Animals are beautiful people. Do not in any way harass the animal, do not feed the animals. They are well fed with special diets, no playing sports on the ground, that is football, racing, etc. These activities stress the animals. Offenders may be asked to leave the zoo. Alright, let's go. Alright, here we have some parrots. What's name?
So over here, guys,
Boji. I know Boji then.
yellow nap Amazon parrots. They're very cool. To do not allow you to feed them.
Here, see Mike here.
They can just look.
See Mike here, start again.
We literally have budget.
You're going to be featured in my video. So take it away.
Okay, guys, so here we have the yellow nap Amazon parrot. They are very cuddly and beautiful, and we can feed them, but we won't be feeding them today because we didn't purchase any seed. So on to the next animal.
Why they not interact?
Go on, you're my announcer for today.
They don't have any tour guide.
Let's look at the chain now.
See Mike here.
I know, may I look for it too. Alright guys, here we can see this beautiful
Hello.
and they actually talk back, so you talk? Hi.
Good day. Good day.
At this point you're not confused with parrot.
You say hello.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Hey, hi. How are you?
What's your name?
No man.
Can you do your hope?
So here we have some parakeets, guys. These are parakeets by nature, and I just realized that they're talking parrots. So I'm going to say hello and see if they interact. Let's go. Hello. Hello. Hi. Are you shy? Hello. Hi. Do you see camera? You're shy. Hi. Hello. Wagwan.
Hello.
Now talk again.
Hello. Hi.
Now talk again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Alright, move on. Next stage. Alright, guys. So here we have some Some flamingos. Flamingo. There they are. Flamingo. I wonder how they keep them. I wonder how they keep them from fly away though.
What happened?
Just a walk.
Oh. I wonder what. Yeah. What more funny
I just walk.
they get to the money.
On turtle feeding.
Oh, and if you feed them, you have to start, you have to pay.
$500.
Pay the people.
No Azak over there. So. No Azak people.
No, I couldn't want to go for it. Oh, I couldn't go there to pay for the money.
A $500. No Azak little do you can't hold no animal. Crocodile over there, so.
This never was animal kingdom was.
Yeah. Can you come up? Crocodile over there. Alright guys, so we're in the crocodile sanctuary.
What?
Crocodile in there? Crocodile in there?
I go to from there too.
They in there man, they're in the water. See one there, so see your head there.
I had
Mm-hmm.
there. Oh, my okay.
That one in there?
I don't even go to work.
Alright guys, so this is the American crocodile. Crocodilus acutus. Mercy. So, as far as I can see, there's one inside there, along with some turtles and some fish. Let's read some information on this American crocodile. Scientific name. In the under there's something there. Scientific name Crocodilus acutus. Yes, American crocodiles are large aquatic reptiles that live throughout the southern areas of North America, the Caribbean, Central America, and the upper part of South America. Alright, you're tuned to Thompson's TV, and this information is very crucial, you know. So, the untrained eye, crocodiles and alligators appear to be similar, but they belong to different taxonomic families. The most obvious differences between them are visible in the head, with crocodiles having narrower and longer heads with a more V-shaped snout in comparison to alligators that have a U-shaped snout. That's the difference between crocodiles and alligators, guys. So we don't have alligators in Jamaica. We only have crocs. Yeah? So there's a crocodile under there, and he is somewhere. I see him. A little too dark. Let's see if we can get a better angle, guys. A better angle at this. At this one. Still not seeing it. Still not seeing it, guys. Alright, that's his head. Still not seeing it. The crocodile is hiding today. In there. In head there. Alright, my hide. So we don't know how long him be, how big him be. and so forth. I'm a hide. I guess in bed already, nice one. Alright guys, moving on. Alright, let's go have some fun. In the meantime. One in there. Under the cave there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Them normally have more than one, you know what going. Oh. Only head the front up there. But I feed him already, in belly full. Yeah guys, see the crocodile. Bounty killer. What a ugly thing. Yeah man, stay here someone. You eat already? Mm-hmm.
I'm more than one trip. I go for them. No, one day, two, one day, two. I'm more than one. Let's go back in there. So. Yesterday, dirty, they want beard. Funny turtle show.
You want to go in there? You want?
I'm trying to panic to get out here. This is what I'm touching. You want like a baby one day? Yeah, baby. Where? Oh my god. Baby one what? On top of the big one. What? It's a turtle. A turtle. Machine. Yes, it's a baby turtle. Okay, guys, so we're in the Crocs vicinity. We only see one big croc. He's very shy, probably hungry, planning how to eat one of us looking at him. There are also turtles among the croc. What kind of crocodile is it? American. Oh, so it's an American crocodile. Yes. And yes, very still. Very still. He's very being demure. Very demure. Don't want to attract too much attention. If you come up with it. Right up this mountain room.
Come on, boy.
Mama, come up here, sir.
Come on, boy.
He's gonna. He's so nice. Sorry. He's so big. Where's the next one? Is it one? Is it one?
Come on, boy. Yeah, this one.
Ah! It comes so close.
Are you sure you want to feed it?
Good boy.
You look cute.
So yeah guys, you're tuned to Thompson's TV, Jamaican Adventure. And we are at Hope Zoo. We actually went through Hope Botanical Gardens to get to Hope Zoo. There's another way around, but I didn't worry to go that long way. So we just went through the garden and came up to the zoo. So we're at the Crocodile Sanctuary and we're moving further into the zoo to see what else we can spot today. So stay tuned. All right, Virgin. No, something I'm holding. It's which net is? Ball python. Eh? That's a red too. Okay.
That's a snake.
So like when you eat. When you eat.
Give me that. She got it.
Oh, okay, like you she. You told him a python.
Just a python, that's a ball.
Oh. So which one of them in Jamaica? Like out in wild. One of them.
Jamaican boy there.
Okay,
This one
okay.
from Africa, this one from Africa.
Oh. So how big then can get?
She 10 feet.
Oh.
In
Just slightly bigger than you.
yeah. She almost reach her max.
Okay. So how long she be now? Or him?
It's a she.
It's a she.
So you allow the head to like touch you?
They're not doing
Oh. So they keep sticking out
smell
the.
them, smell the engine tongue, smell them environment.
Oh.
Yeah, well.
And they don't see them to eat. That's all I eat in the park.
Okay.
I can touch that one. I mean,
Man up on a belt around your waist.
I don't want to be near the
Feel like a cosmetic snake. One long rope of muscle. For all the snake lovers.
Now do you know just a smell.
Guys, so we're experiencing a snake phenomenon right here. And this is one of my hosts, and she is trying to handle a snake, but boy, she's afraid of it. I am not going near that thing. It's a long rope of muscle.
What about that one? Right.
So, how often you feed them in a day?
What you feed them? Pet mice?
Every 2 weeks?
We grow them here. We grow a rat and a rabbit in here.
You say every 2 weeks you feed them? Okay.
I know watch them eat the big rabbit. I know like that.
Last week. No, didn't get feed. Them two get feed since last week, Fred.
Okay.
Let's squeeze them.
Not the most. You're trained. So if you have a training, will that be
Can't put it on. No, then train, they found them out. And then train with a kiss. They're not, they're just both.
I want to make you go to hospital.
No, that is hot.
You're the man. That's just hot.
That is hot. No, I know. Oh, good. She turn her head by you, and I'm not going to be nice. Maria.
Yes.
Oh, with the snake?
Yeah, you take my wash your hand before you touch the kind of allergic to it.
What this one? Come on, man. Hit me. Snake?
So I want to hold her, but if you see the head moving towards me, I can take her from you. Remember, the head comes towards me. You quickly take her. If I drop her, what's going to happen?
Aggravated. Then tell us that.
Don't drop the people in. They would want to drop her.
Take the snake, no, miss.
I don't really try to drop them because I don't know about
Follow. Okay, let's go back.
Venomous snake do have venom guys.
Man, they come through. You can't bring a lion come through. Since you bring the snake come through. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, can you come out of my throat? Okay, outside.
Me already to touch you. You make me a braver than you try this stuff.
Alright guys, next. So we're moving on to the next stage in the zoo. This was the playground. Bye bye playground. Alright. Alright guys, so we're going to look at the camel. Alright, let's go. Doop, 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 doop. Doop, 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 doop. Eh? Apa?
We're waiting to go into the camel. Okay, well. I'm going to.
You know, you're feeding Pando.
Okay, that's Cindy.
There you go.
Cindy, please.
So, I didn't feed this yet, them with. What's that? Enough for them under there, no? Eh? Rabbit.
You give them your full spot, don't you?
Hi, I want to see rabbit.
When them have picnic all 30, you know?
Come look at the rabbit.
Alright guys, here we have some rabbits, and I heard that these are what they use to feed the snakes. So, right in here, some asleep, some wake, and just relax. Cause they get them sunny dinner already. So then just relax, you know? So, this is the rabbit section, and we just came from the really see camera, because we have to pay to see him. So, you know?
What's his name? What's
Cindy.
his name? Cindy?
Her name.
Cindy?
Yeah, call him so. I call her so rough.
Cindy, you're sad. Your master is leaving you. Don't be sad. Don't be sad.
So guys, we forget the monkeys. Oh, can we forget the monkeys? So, we go look for the monkey then. Sure, I go on in a monkey cage, yeah? And now, eat inside. Wait. We find some monkey and see what I go on.
Oh, you want to panda? Look at panda. Get this side too. And dirty now, man.
Right up in a mouth.
I want monkey in there. Yo, good day. What you up to today? You tired? A monkey in there, square monkey. In the tree there.
Little monkey, come here.
In there.
You see your tree,
You enjoy up.
where you say now?
Oh, go on. What's your name?
Where you say now?
You didn't call Sammy? No.
I need to take shit flash out your fire. No man. You see, baby, I look on the monkey.
Yeah. You see me, I look away if you come out.
Is that way I look come out?
What do you mean?
Whenever them did their stone, what that place the name?
Upper Stone Hill.
Upper Stone. Like a couple of them.
Name that. There's some big birds over there.
Big bird? Ostrich. Oh, that's a big bird. Ostrich and emu.
We can pick mango.
What bird?
Ostrich.
Yeah, who are you?
What their name there? Oh, see name up there so. Alright guys, so we are at the big bird sanctuary. Big birds, these are this is the ostrich. Ostrich. Let me go look for the name them so I don't get it wrong. Yeah, so the ostrich and the emu. The biggest birds in the world. The emu and the ostrich. Yeah, and along with some smaller birds that's inside the cage. Of the ducks. Yes, I go over there. You know, say they have Arnold up here, man. Arnold. Arnold, the one that tail long though.
Bind them up.
Yow.
Throw them over.
Yow. So one of the one you understand you have eggs.
Oh, funny, iguana, them over.
I see from my feet.
You can't spit?
Mm-hmm. So guys, I showed you the picture, but I didn't show you the actual birds. So here they are, the emu and the ostrich. Yeah. What do you know now? Alright, iguana. I see iguana. I see turtle. I see bird. Mustache parakeet. Alright, and African squirrel. African spurred tortoise. That's one I see in there too. I guess they are picking up the nuts that falls on the ground from the birds. So these are the birds. Little African parakeet. And the iguanas are the tortoise. Now look at the iguana them. Nothing else here. This is the iguana. Circle them there so. You see the iguana. Look at the. Look at the. What's your name again? No, let me tell you now. The iguana, guys. Only they sitting. Mercy. Alright, see that? Yeah. Alright guys, see two more iguana here. Wow. What if I say them big? These are some big lizards. They are vegetarians. They eat only vegetables. Hmm? Want to push in and find out?
No, me accept them bite. Me no want
Me
to
don't know if them bite. You want to find out if them bite?
Hi. Them boy do. The one look like him bite is straight.
One look like him ready to jump. Alright, moving on.
Hello.
Alright guys, so we have some ponies right here.
You think you'll take my picture?
Little horses. Yeah?
Go again.
According to my wife, their eyes are very pretty.
Well, that one have blue eyes.
And then dirty bad.
That's the first thing I
Little
said.
ponies.
I can't
Hi.
beat them. Like, they're so dirty.
They look like dwarf.
Let's shout them.
Alright guys, so we are currently at the lion sanctuary. And the big lion is over here and he is just looking. He's just looking as if he's saying, I wish I had some big meat to eat. I want some big meat to eat right now. So let me show you guys what's happening. So there he is. Ah, Tio. Let me give you some information as well. So this is the lion.
Baby, you get a bigger cat, you know. See him over there, sir?
Big cat.
They didn't call him Leo.
Yeah, man. Panthera Leo. Alright, guys, here is some information. If you want to donate, you can read it. Did you know in the wild lions rest for around 20 hours a day? Lions are the second largest big cat species in the world, behind tigers. Alright, guys. The lioness is in her cage. Hey guys, stay tuned, because we'll be back to this spot because they'll be feeding the lions shortly. So stick around. Big koi fish. Stick around.
Hungry time now. Let's go. Let's go. We have this tour.
Just cut down if they can eat. You can eat again.
No. They look eatable. They look like, the high color fish, the high color snake and frog, they say poisonous.
No, there's nobody else can see that.
Hey? There's the Chinese out there in the tank and aquarium and something. What a donkey? A donkey or a zebra? We earn stripes every day.
No one knows right.
Another. You know, step up in a rank yet.
You look like you want to looking at one mirror over there, man.
A prank.
And the movie's light off.
It's a prank. Stripeless zebra. Boy.
One black, one white.
Guys, didn't see a zebra over there, but a donkey over there, man. Donkey without stripe. I guess they're not earning stripes. Noel, on these are there, so here. Yeah, well. That's the one B side, right? So. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I say. How are you not saying now? Rope and sitting. Monkey. Lar. Yeah, gibbon. White-handed gibbon. Go to sleep.
Baby, hungry now, man. What? Bees.
Bees. No, so. You're not passing on, so. The lion asleep. The lion is asleep. Fine, so.
Alima.
Ringtail. King Julian! Wagon! Yeah. Physically fit. Here's Maurice. Maurice stay there. Maurice! King Julian! King Julian. King Julian in the place! Physically fit. King Julian, where Maurice there?
Where's Maurice? Maurice?
Maurice!
Where you crown them, boss? I take you.
Alright guys, so here we have the ringtail lemur. Yeah man, if you watch Madagascar, you know what we're talking about. King Julian is one of our favorite characters in well, it is actually stated here in their social groups, aka a troop. Females are more dominant than males, having first choice of food and mating partners. So despite King Julian's recognition, the ladies rule here. Alright, so there you have it guys. This is the ringtail lemur cage. And see my look up in the camera. Well, going boss. Everything good? Everything alright? You eat already? You eat your Sunday dinner already? You just turn your back gear so you're cloning them so man. What go on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours no? 6 hours no? Now the troop? Yeah. Yeah, excitement to go on. My play.
I want them in the background.
Yeah, but they're lazy.
Lazy lion. Reptile house. Yeah. Look at no get there. I want lizard. I want lizard. Oh, kind of lizard. No see no sign. Oh, see here. Water monitor. Yeah, see me like can over there. So. And him teeth crocodile like them when they leg. Water monitor that guys. Next moving on. Reptile house. That one around there. Articulated python. Oh, bungo peas.
Yes.
Here's the other one.
Eh? Other one in there? Can't see the one here. Can't see 3 glass one. That's a better view. Bag what? Goat. So, Mr. Goat, how is your day going? Talk to me now. Hey. Hey.
Go and go eat.
What's them give food over there, so?
When I can't eat down there,
So,
so
what you
they
say?
like when they have wine, you know.
So, what you say? They don't feed you? Eh?
No, no, yes. Oh my God, it's gonna feel bad. Not even here.
What are you feeding, man?
I saw him fear. I saw him fear. I saw him fear. Just
Eh?
Hey, you need to try.
Eh.
Oh, you for them to
They say one Indian man got Casey and him drive, he go to drive through and him ask. And they say, welcome to KC, you may take your order. Yeah, the man. Yeah. Yeah, the man, yeah, the man. Yeah, the man. You have any curry goat?
Come up now, we can look. Yeah, Johnny. Come, we can look. Okay.
You still okay? This one come. Alright. Let's go look on what is up here, guys. So we have the red kangaroo. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Hey! Eh? Eh? Kangaroo.
Hey, what going?
Emerald doves. The monk parakeet. Eastern Rosella parakeet. And duck in the Agis. Wait. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come.
Say hi to Birdie, Birdie. Say hi.
Hey, birdie. Where's that Ole? See that? Patu? Alright, so yellow naped Amazon parrot. Alright, here they are, and you can find these right at Hope Zoo. Yeah. Moving over, we have the ring neck parakeet. How about that? Ring neck parakeet. There they are. Eh? So much bird. Red Lord Amazon parrot. Them the guys.
The young bird.
Man.
Watch him. Fly again. Think one more get.
So guys, this is the barn owl.
Tear up that, you know.
I tear up a young bird, you know. Eat your food, master. Eat your food.
Again. You know, no more to get boy. I want alone. One alone I can't get. I baby you come back. Too big thing.
How's that then give me that plate?
I baby you want.
I baby you want, yes. Red-tailed hawk. Chicken hawk. Some chicken hawk, guys. There are two of them in there. Two chicken hawk. Chicken hawk.
You come find. You come from. You tell them all to put your car feeding. Yeah. You come from. Come on. Entertain them and say, hey baby, you can eat ya. Not 2 to 8 eggs. 30 days, 1 month. Yeah. 1 month.
Alright guys, I was showing you previously the kangaroo. So this is a better angle to see them at. Yeah, so
Alright. Oh, you're hungry now.
how much time are they gonna feed the lion?
Just one time.
Oh.
And get like that. 10 phone on me.
Yes, you can nice.
You can let me
Email again. Yes. Email again nice.
I was in.
I get by the phone and get it.
Sometimes you can get up to 11 pounds. Maybe I would give them like a set amount because I was too fast and on Sunday. On Monday.
Oh.
And every time I can get it, you know. So I give them.
Oh, give them some days and I get.
Okay.
Well, I'll week.
Yeah.
I think it's like a spoon girl and sweet.
No man. Be green and be good. I'm deep, man.
Oh,
I think
so
maybe them
here, I want to buy them. Oh,
We are looking at we never see him. Being curled up as well.
hold on.
Monkey.
Oh,
Gibbon.
okay. Yeah, true, man.
He just look like the wood.
Yeah, man, he just fit in.
Yeah.
What's it? You can't a long time I wait for this.
Is a female? Okay.
Oh, Leah. Hey, Leah. Look like a long time I wait for this, man. You know, my company in there, I said she look lonely, sir. Are you alone, my friend? What? What you come over there, man?
The funny way.
Oh.
I come from Africa.
I want to get in passport.
Oh,
Friend, you
okay.
have your passport. Why don't feel bad again? For me, I say, run on our passport.
Yeah, well, visa. Yeah, well. Look where food I come through.
I food you want to look one. So when the food reach in, you're not going to run over there. My friend. I don't go over the food that come through. Yes, man.
You a pool.
There's something going on over there, sir. Don't it?
You look face.
Yeah? It feels little and that.
Eh?
So are you feed the lion or it want to go in?
One person at a line.
One person not going in at all. I want to spoil to watch your back.
If I'm seeing it,
Yeah.
one bad luck.
Yeah, yeah.
So you ever have any other, you ever have trouble of your life when you have a Jamaica zoo there? You bite off the man finger first. Oh, the man them send out one letter say boy. And them associate with them people.
Yeah, man.
So this a man. Oh, you know some food in there?
You know, move.
Friend. Man.
My pose, my pose. You must say, you know, go on. Yeah, go on, man, go on, go on. Yeah, man. A guy also. Hello. Alright, guys, so we are going to watch them feed the lions. We showed you the lions earlier, and they were actually sleeping, but now they are up. I heard that they were hiding because of the rain earlier. So yeah, guys, this is actually Lions Den. I had to mute that section of the video because some music was playing in the background and I can't deal with the copyright thing by YouTube. So this is the female lion, the lioness, and the king is right beside her. You know, here they are. The adrenaline is rushing. I tell you, man. Suppose one of these things escape, man, I'll be out of that place like it was yesterday. But the question was asked, what if you were going through a particular road and you book up on one of them something here? What would you do? Let me know in the comment section. I think I sit here and take down buffalo one. Where me gone, man? You can't run fast on me, no, man. Can't run fast on me. Eh? Heart attack? Yeah. Jesus. Can't move. My word. Leo. Yo.
Well, I like a tail, though. A tail was fluffy.
Yeah, man.
Nice, and
The Rasta lion, do you know?
you want to restaurant on the belly of beer.
Lion, the tribe of Judah.
For your chest of the child of Jehovah, my friend. Eh? Look at him, look on his teeth, them. Look on them, teeth, them, boy. Why you teeth, God? And the lady up say, yo, she big, you know, man.
This whole, you know, brother.
She massive, man. But then, yo, you see, I look at some of them videos there, you see, like, say, 8 of them are around him, I want to beat him up. Oh, yeah. Someone I eat first.
Yeah.
Look how them are.
I'm the king.
But look at them. Them almost the same size as
Hey.
And 8 of them, I him have to eat first. Why him have to eat first?
You see, I'm a king, but I'm the ruler.
You head big still, no? Yes.
Hey. The way I say so, lions rest and sleep for most of each of the day, up to 20 hours. They are most nocturnal, active at night. In a pride, a group of lions, females are responsible for hunting as bears stay back to defend territory. I should say going alive, you know. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Who more you and
I get go look for you. Macabre. Right eye. One of the eyes.
Where's the king of the jungle? Where's the king of the yeah. Azzy? Oh, they go on that side.
No, what time it is, you know? Yeah, man.
Where's the female?
From that side.
Oh, they separate them.
Marking territory and
Mm-hmm. I want to see how they feed them.
you close yourself. You want. Nice. Go up in night now, my friend. Hold on for our uncle. Man, I touch him. You take petting, man.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going with that now. Coming back. Oh, they're not going there, man. But then I have to test him out first. See if he's cool. Yeah, make a sound now, me G. That's alright. You know what we do now?
Yeah.
Going at that. Yeah, them people are not taking no chance with the lion.
Where?
Man. I have to go in. I have to go in. I have to go in. Yo, Mumsy, watch out and see if you say a heart a beat out your chest. Yeah, zoom up love there. So, you know,
Lying on about, man. Laying back.
the man are going with the cross.
That's a big cross, man. And get a cut.
See? Yeah, the girl biting, that's when I separate them.
Yeah.
The fight, man, he love crutches too much. Funny seed. Funny seed, man.
Easy, my easy, man.
Yeah. Come on,
My girl, I watch her back, you know. Everybody should look behind her, you know, man.
So 9 pound of gold. 9 pound of meat. 9 pound of meat. No one can have 9 pound of meat.
Huh? The Rasta Lion man.
I see Rasta man they use as them symbol.
Yeah, right. There go the lion, like him come eat him food, you know. Dinner time, Leo.
I got to go first, man. How much crossing grind that thing, you know, do for protocol is there.
What?
Massive. Look massive.
Come in, King.
Yeah.
You want to be being coach?
You like when it's live.
You want to catch yourself?
Chicken, yeah. One go on Sunday. One go.
Okay, I'll put it on the plate.
Yeah, shake so. One swallow and it done.
Yeah, man, in
Like I hide in my head.
Hey.
Yeah, turn on. That's all I'm going to do. I just share food. Push them a black eye. You know, for sure, carry chicken come drop on the rocks. Body. So I play.
What's the nine?
How should I go? No, I'm a cast. How them dip? Oh, them have it. Oh, them have it. Okay. You have to go in our own first, chance, man. Oh, that's for them safe space. Like if they get lost in the night and slide the bill. Okay, yeah.
I join in case if you want to make the female go on. So.
Yeah. Oh, same procedure. She gets up back there. So a mangoes in the center.
Yeah.
The smartest thing that's there. So you mean if the mangoes are born themselves like that? As you meet Jappy, you jaggy it. As you meet
You shot that. My word, she won't say that, man. My word, after they always done. Yeah, she won't say that. Yes, she's more muscular.
yeah, man.
My boss, come out and eat meat, man.
Like
Like piece of beef, you know.
Buffalo. You know the taste of the buffalo.
I'm sending him in the house.
It's all those baby.
Gotcha.
Like I eat that, yeah. Is there not just no man, not even cross.
I just no shadow after dark.
Not even the cross, you know, going on a cage and buy.
Guy, that bushmaster. I eat that.
I eat them all that. You know, I eat funny mangoes.
Yeah.
Right, man. It's a bar, sir. Yes, it's grow up, piece of chicken.
Man, they look lazy, little brother.
Look, please, that's all.
Yeah. You see it?
Everybody, every gonna know which direction to run.
The big one, what you say? It's the biggest.
Yeah, then we roar, but no, like, them four.
Watch it. Yeah. It's on.
Yeah, it. I turn him back. But turn him back, brother. Don't feed you. Well, Survival.
Survival thing, elephant.
Look like one bobcat. Come on, next one there.
Really?
Yeah, come and walk me this one.
Like we come out, we look on his friend like, oh, there's a little baby. Hey.
Alright guys, this is a survival. I thought it was a bobcat, but this is a species of a bobcat. Location Africa, lifespan 10 to 20 years.
Yes, my friend.
What's the
Yeah. Show them who's
faithful like a cat?
I'm Angus.
Survivors have the longest tails of any cat relative to their body size. Yeah, say man. A playtime. When hunting birds and insects, their long legs allow survivors to make high vertical leaps more than 9 feet into the air. Wow. You can also leap up to 12 feet horizontally from a stationary position to pounce and land on prey. Wow. So there you have it, guys. These are the servals. And love ram though. Yo, you can ram someone.
I'm Angus, man. I'm tell you the truth, I'm Angus. The lane now, and I'm steady now. You smell him, you know?
What?
Yeah, man.
I'm willing to tear him up.
Why you say that, man? I'm Angus. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hiding in the bush, man, Bridget. Hiding.
Something else, something else. Go in the house.
One gun in the house, yes. Look out.
Alright guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching Thompson's TV Jamaican Adventure. We just made a tour of Hope Zoo and you saw the animals, the various animals that are here. So oh, we see them already. Pig and the ostrich and the emu. Yes guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another epic video. Peace out.